Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to move money from Cash App to Apple Pay by adding your Cash Card to Apple Wallet. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Apple Wallet app. Once you're in Apple Wallet, tap the plus symbol in the top right corner of the screen. On the next screen, tap Credit or Debit Card. When prompted, use your camera to scan your Cash Card. If you don't have the card with you, you can enter the card details manually by typing in the numbers. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the setup and verify the card if needed. After the setup is finished, return to the Apple Wallet home screen. You should now see your Cash Card listed in Wallet. Once your Cash Card is added, any money in your Cash App balance can be used through Apple Pay wherever Apple Pay is accepted. You're not moving the money into Apple Pay directly, but you are making your Cash App balance available for Apple Pay payments. And that's how you transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay by adding your Cash Card to Apple Wallet. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.